I don't know if you can hear this, but there is a little humming noise coming from the projector. I haven't turned it on in over a day. I'll let you kind of listen in. But it's just this like a little bit of a whirring sound. That's the best way I can describe it. But I believe it is normal for the projector to have that noise. Again, I do have it plugged in. I have it plugged in overnight. I do know, of course, when you have it unplugged, that noise does stop. I'm doing some research, and if I find anything, I'll post it back in here. But just know that, at least from what I've seen, we're having it for the last couple weeks, it is normal to hear that sound.